Now let's run our program. Near the main function, we have this green triangle. Click on it, select Run Hello Kotlin KT, and a new window will open. This window is the console and displaying the output for our program. So hello my friends is the output of our application. In Android Studio, the console typically refers to the place where the standard output and error messages of your Kotlin program are displayed when you run it. These messages are essential for debugging and monitoring the behavior of your application. You can view the console output in the Run or Debug tabs at the bottom of the Android Studio window. Run for the console output and look at when we deal with applications. And later on, when we start creating Android application, we'll use the logcat.